Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through how to manage Midi device control and reprogram settings for sites on OpenGX. Now to do this, that is the Midi device control and reprogram settings, or the MIDI, depends on how you want to pronounce it, settings. It's quite simple. First of all, you have to open up the normal settings, which is, I prefer to use a keyboard shortcut, which is Alternate and P. And once I'm there, I scroll all the way down until I see site settings, and then you tap or click on site settings, and then scroll all the way down until you see additional permission. Then you click on the arrow, and once you're there, you can see among the additional permissions we have Midi device control and reprogram. So tap on it or click it. Now once you're there, here the site usually asks to control and reprogram Midi devices to create music, edit music, or update device firmware. So you can choose the default behavior, that is the settings that sites automatically follow when you visit them. Now if you want sites to be able to ask to control and reprogram your Midi devices, leave this turned on. If you do not want to allow sites to control and reprogram your Midi device, choose this option. Then if you want to customize the behavior, you can also decide that when you're visiting the site, let's say the particular site that asks for the permission and you do not want it to allow it, you can turn it off there, right there on the site, and it will appear here. Now let's say I've set mine to don't allow site to control and program my Midi device. If I get to a particular site and it asks for the permission and I want only that site to do it, I accept it over there. On the site, it will appear here as the site I added to allow and to control and reprogram my Midi devices. That's what will appear here. Not allowed will appear here, allowed will appear here. That is when they go contrary or there are exceptions to the default behavior. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.